Hi everyone, this is Arun. So today in this video, I'm going to provide the solution of this question. Winkler Furniture manufacture two different types of China cabinets. So basically this is the question from chapter 8, first question, quantitative analysis for management. So here I have already solved this question using Excel solver. So this is my Excel. And this is all the formulation part. This is the answer part. So the final answer is 3930, which I received from using the Excel solver and the formulation. And this is our solver part. So this is achieved using Excel solvers where we have used these constraints. And then our objective was to maximize the revenues. So I used all these constraints and the maximization to achieve our objective. So if you need this Excel file, you can just reach me out on my email or my WhatsApp number, which I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. So thank you for watching this video and have a good day. Take care. Bye.